The next sound is an H sound. There's only one way to make an H sound. H on its own. Like hot or hose. Now, the first thing you need to do to make an H sound is inhale. And number two, the second thing you do to make an H sound is I want you to imagine shivering. So you're imagining clenching your throat. So it's making the airway smaller. So clench throat. And number three, instead of pulling air in, you're slowly getting it out. Like trying to see your breath. So I want you to try and see your breath outside. And blows it out slowly so you can see it. And that is the H sound. Hot hose.